Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't clicked on that subscribe button, please make sure you click on it and ring the bell so that you never miss any of my video uploads. Today, I'm going to share with you all my top 5 beauty products that I have loved on the entire month of November. I absolutely have enjoyed using all 5 of these products and I have a few of them on right now. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. So for the past month, I have been loving 2 eyeshadow palettes. And the first one, which I am wearing today and have gotten so many compliments on, is the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. And to think, guys, I almost didn't purchase this. I was actually on an anti-haul. I was not going to buy anything. I was on a no-buy October. And this is the palette that made me fall off the beauty wagon for that month. But guys, I am so glad that I purchased this palette. If you haven't seen it yet, this is what this beautiful palette looks like. It's really better in person, guys. You need to go into Ulta, into Sephora to take a look at this. Because when I saw it online, I thought, great, it's just another neutral palette. But it's so much more than that. It is so versatile. You can create so many different looks. You can use this to anchor any other type of look that you want to create, whether you want to incorporate some blues, some purples, some pinks from other palettes that you have. This would be your starting point. I love the palette. I love the brush. I actually used, this was the only brush that I used today to apply my eye look. I think it came out great. I got a couple compliments earlier today. I wore this palette for Thanksgiving and I wore it in the new Revlon foundation review video that I have up on my channel. I will make sure to link it up here so you guys can check that out. But this has been such a ride or die palette. I can't believe that I wasn't going to pick it up. I was going to have that gap in my collection, but I am so glad that I picked it up. I bought it on QVC so that I could take advantage of the 6 easy payments, and it retails for $48. Of course, you can find it pretty much wherever Urban Decay is sold. Highly recommend it, guys. The shadows are a dream to work with. They blend out so effortlessly and they're just stunning on the eyelid. Pretty much gonna work with any skin tone. Highly recommend this one to you guys. The second eyeshadow palette that I have totally loved and I'm so glad that I purchased is the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. And to think, guys, both of these are neutral palettes and they're in my top 5 beauty picks for the month of November. I love me a colorful eyeshadow palette, but this one has stunning pressed glitters, it has metallics, it has sequin, it has your matte row over there. Just absolutely a dream to work with this palette. I am so happy for Tati and her launch of Tati Beauty, and I'm so glad that she started off with this palette. This is ideal for any makeup artist, for any makeup lover, whether you need to update your neutral palette or you're just looking to add a new palette to your collection. This is so versatile. This is such an easy palette to travel with, guys. It doesn't weigh too much. It's not too heavy. It's pretty thin. You have a very generous size mirror in here, and you have all the shades you could possibly need to take you from day to night. The quality of these shadows are outstanding, guys. I love working with the glitters. I am so happy that I was able to pick this up. I believe this is on, it is not available as of right now. She is planning a restock. And if I'm not mistaken, that restock is gonna come maybe within the next 2 months or so. I know she is working on a new product that she's going to be including in Tati Beauty really soon, so be on the lookout. Stay tuned to her channel and her social accounts to see when this one is going to come back in stock, but it is going to be a permanent item in her collection. Highly recommend this one to you guys. This one retails for $48, I believe. The next item for my November favorites is an eyeliner that I have used probably ever since it came out. So I want to say at least 2 years. And whenever I order these, so I typically order them from QVC, I always order the 2-pack. And this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner. I love working with this eyeliner. It's quick, it's easy. I do have this one on right now. I was able to do a small, thin line, no wing, no anything on the top of my eyes. It is a waterproof formula. I love how the packaging is on this. I love the grip I can get right here. I just love the shape of it. It's very similar to the Superhero Mascara that accompanies this eyeliner. I like the eyeliner more than I like the mascara, but it is a marker style eyeliner, and it is just the perfect black shade. You can do a thin line, you can do a thick line, you can do a baby wing, you can do a dramatic wing, whatever you want to do. It dries down pretty quick. It stays put all day long. And I want to say that right now QVC has the 2-pack of these for about 25 bucks. And I think that is a Black Friday price, but the regular price for both of them, the 2-pack on QVC, is around 30 bucks. So you're going to save about $5 or $6 if you pick it up within this week that we're having all the sales going on. But just know one of these by itself is about 20 bucks or 21 bucks, like at Ulta or wherever they sell IT Cosmetics. So you can get a 2-pack on QVC for about 30 bucks. So I think it's a better value. Of course, at QVC, you can always add the Easy Pay on there. That's what I do. I keep one at home and I keep one in my travel bag. I use them pretty much equally. I absolutely love using it. Been using it for years. Highly recommend this one to you guys. The next item that I have to share with you guys is a drugstore mascara, and it is one that I had completely forgot about, but I'm totally glad that I rediscovered it again because I have been using it nonstop. I am wearing it today, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I do have it in the shade black. This is not waterproof, okay? So if you're looking for a waterproof, I believe they have a waterproof version of this, but this one isn't it. This is the wand. It is a very, very thin comb-like wand, and it just really, guys, it separates my lashes so well. It doesn't flake, it doesn't clump up, it dries pretty quick. I'm able to add a second coat if I need it, and I really love it on the lower lash line. It just really gives me the separation, and it also defines my length. I know I have length already to my lashes, but this just takes it up a notch, and I absolutely love the separation. I think that is why I like this mascara so much, because I need that separation in my lashes. Sometimes my lashes tend to stick together. Not all mascaras do a great job of separating your lashes, but this L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara does. I want to say it retails for, it's about 11 bucks on Ulta. And you guys know that on Ulta, they have the L'Oreal products very often. Buy one, get one half off, buy two, get one free. You can find this at Walmart, at CVS, at Walgreens. You can use coupons at those drugstores for L'Oreal products. So definitely put this on your must-try list. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you're really looking for a mascara to separate your lashes. The last item that I have to share with you guys is actually a skincare product, and this is from the brand Drunk Elephant. This is the C-firma Day Serum. I have been using the serum since March. And guys, when you're trying out skincare, you know that you're not gonna get those immediate results. With skincare, time is what you need to allow in order to see if the product is going to be worth it, okay? Even just using it for 1 month, you might not get the immediate results that you wanna see. I think a good skincare routine, or if you're wanting to see what products work best for your skin, I think they need to be tried at least 90 days. 60 to 90 days, 2-3 months, because you're really going to be able to tell if your skin is adapting well to it and how the product is actually working. How does your makeup look? How does your skin look without any makeup on it? And those are your signs whether a product is working or not. This serum, like I said, I've been using it since March, so that's pretty much more than half the year already. I have seen that my skin, especially right in here in this area where my problem area is, where I have my larger pores, where I tend to have cakiness with my makeup and I have the little fine lines under my eyes, I have noticed an improvement in the elasticity. I have noticed an improvement in the little fine lines. My skin just looks like it has a glow to it. I love the way my makeup applies over this. I do wash my skin first. I will occasionally tone. Then I put this on. Then I put on my daytime moisturizer, and then I make sure to do my sunscreen if my moisturizer doesn't have sunscreen. I'm going to read to you guys some of the call outs of this serum. The Drunk Elephant C-firma Day Serum is a revolutionary vitamin C serum packed with a powerful antioxidant complex of L-ascorbic and ferulic acids to reveal a brighter, firmer, and more even-looking complexion. The result is a noticeably diminished appearance of UV photo damage and aging, replaced by incredible radiance and luminosity. I picked this up at Ulta. It does retail for $80, so it is on the expensive side of skincare, but I purchased this when Sephora was having a sale, so I was able to get 20% off. I believe Sephora is also having a sale that starts tomorrow. You can get $25 off a purchase of $75 or more. I will leave the code for that in the description box down below so that you guys can maybe try this out, take advantage of that opportunity, get 25 bucks off it. Hey, anytime, especially around this time of year that we get to save money, we need to take it. But Drunk Elephant is a brand that has amazing skincare. I use about 3 different Drunk Elephant products. I use this, I use a sunscreen, and I use a daytime moisturizer, or it's like an anytime moisturizer really. But all 3 products have worked so beautifully for my skin, but hands down, this one, I can see a difference. And so that's all that I have for you today, guys. These were my November favorites, products that I have been reaching for all month of November. And to be honest, guys, I have reached for these products way more than just the month of November. But these were some of the ones that I wanted to pick to showcase to you guys, maybe give you guys some ideas. Maybe you're looking for a new mascara, a new eyeshadow palette, something new to add into your daytime skincare routine. Hopefully you were able to get some good product ideas from this video. If you're using any of these products, if you like any of these products, if you don't like any of these products, leave me a comment down below, sound off below. Let me hear your thoughts on what I had to show you guys. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. That always helps me out. And tell all your friends to subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.